My name is MICOL, and this is Klaus. I am an artist and activist and professor based in Los Angeles. I teach studio art and professional gallery practices at Chapman University in Orange, California. And I run several feminist programs and initiatives. One is in Utah. It's called Feminist Summer Camp. And I do bi-monthly conversations at my project space, The Situation Room in Los Angeles. And I also curate an annual International Femmes Video Art Festival. So I have a project called Gallery Tally that's an ongoing project that began in 2013. And this project involves counting the number of male and female and otherwise identified artists that are represented at the top commercial contemporary galleries around the world. And with that data, I then invite collaborators and volunteers to create aesthetic visualizations of those ratios, and they create a poster for each gallery. So we now have almost 600 posters representing galleries all over the world in major art cities. And we're tracking the representation of women, or the lack thereof, and seeing how disproportionate the representation of male-identified artists is. There tends to be twice as many male-identified artists as anyone else represented in the gallery world. And we can look at auction sales and see the same, that's empirical data there as well. We can look at museum collections and just count the numbers of male and female and otherwise identified artists in those collections and see, it's just facts. We're not making the numbers up. Angela Davis once described art as being, that which allows us to envision an alternative future. And even though we're talking about living in the now, if we want to live in a now that is more equitable and more healthy, then I think we need to envision what it might look like if that were the case.